C'est une salle somptueuse du Musée national qui accueille depuis ce matin les 180 jeunes parlementaires en cette deuxième édition de la onzaine de la jeunesse, marquant la 53e édition de la Fête nationale de la jeunesse. Issus des 58 départements, élus dans des conditions féroces et sine qua non, dans le but de leur participation forte et grandiose à la réalisation des objectifs du septennat des grandes opportunités, tous mobilisés autour du représentant du ministre de la Jeunesse et de l'Éducation civique Yerima pour prêter une oreille attentive au séminaire de formation sur l'un des contextes devenus comme rituels au sein de ce département ministériel, celui du réarmement moral. Un séminaire axé sur 3 thèmes, à savoir l'entrepreneuriat comme enjeu de la citoyenneté, le service civique national de participation au développement et les défis du jeune dans un environnement complexe. Thème qui regroupe plusieurs objectifs. Ce qui fait de cette 3e édition de formation des jeunes parlementaires une particularité, en ce sens que le lien de solidarité élective sera encore plus renforcé.
The third edition of the Youth Parliament that is taking place today under the theme Entrepreneurial Development and Youth Employment Opportunities. I want to say it's an activity that has been carried out by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education in collaboration with the Parliamentary Network Hope for Youth, and is going to the 3rd edition. And we do selection all over the national territory, and it is not only done by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Civic Education, even though the service note putting in place the criteria for selection is signed by the Minister of Civic Education. But the selection is done in each division, in all the 58 divisions, and is presided over by the senior divisional officer for each division. And the committee is made up of young people, the parliamentarians, and partner ministry with the civil society. So here in the hall we have 180 young people from the national territory, and they are equally repartitioned as the parliamentarians are repartitioned at the level of the National Assembly. So this year we are working with young people who are either in multipurpose youth empowerment centers undergoing incubation for entrepreneurship, or those who are in technical training centers, or those who have already left the centers and are already carrying out an entrepreneurial activity, who are employing other young people to come and share their experiences.
Il en est de même pour les jeunes parlementaires de rendre efficient leur capacité pour parfaire leurs objectifs, à l'instar de l'honorable Etingue Ginola.
I am Etingue Ginola from the Southwest region, representing Uyaroya. Well, following the term, rather the theme, it is entrepreneurial development and employment opportunities for the youth. So I think from what I've gathered in our meeting, the government is counting mostly on us, the private individuals, on our private initiative. We need to bring forth our private initiative for the government to sponsor our project. So I believe when I get back home, I will have to bring forth my brothers and sisters, and I will share them. I'll share with them what have been taught to us here, and we'll see how to make Cameroon a better place for us. Thank you.
Il ne reste qu'à leur présenter les vœux dans l'accomplissement de la concrétisation de leurs objectifs. Bonne fête de la jeunesse.